Hi team. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a checklist to the opportunities for the agents. So just like you go through and we have our checklist that we go through in Asana for each task, the agents and their admins do the same thing whenever they're working with a contact in their database, or if something goes under contract, they have a checklist that they follow to make sure everything gets done. So each agent has a little bit different checklist for their business and how they run it. So if I ever have you do some of these other ones, I'll give you different individualized checklists for that agent. But what we're going to do for all of our agents is we're going to give them a little help is on the closed section here for both listings, which are sellers, and buyers, which are buyers. We're going to add the checklists into these sections here for closed and closed. So it's really simple. So to get to opportunities, remember you come over here to the handshake once you log into the agent's command account. Go into the closed section, and you're going to come up here to the right hand corner and do edit stages. This is what we want it to look like. We want to have 4 stages. And don't worry about this one. We're not going to put a checklist in this one, but we are going to put the checklist into post-close. And let me show you what it looks like. And I will give you all of these different items. And you should be able to just copy and paste them right into the section. And when you're adding a new item, you just add it here. You add the item. You press save. And then when you're all done, you have to press this whole list and press save here. So it's really that simple. So I'm going to delete that for now. And you would press save. And then what it's going to do is it's going to give you this little checklist. So to add stages, because when you come into them, it might not look exactly like this. So to add stage, you just do an add a new stage. You go ahead and put the stage name. Like, see how I did closed here? It's not going to let me do it because it's already there. And then the probability, we're always going to do 100%. And then the position, you can put what it is. So like this one is number 1, so I would put number 1. But we've already done that, so I'm not going to add it. But once you do that, you just press save. Now in here, you can actually drag and drop these to put them in a different order, and that will work. And then same thing as here. You can drag and drop here to go up and down. But let's put it in that order. And then you would just put save, and that's really all there is to do. So you want that to do that for the listings closed, and you also want it to do it for the buyers closed. And it's the same thing. We're going to edit the stages. We're going to make sure there's 4 stages here, and we're going to make sure there's a checklist right there. And when you first go in on the checklist, it's going to look like that. And you just start copying and pasting one by one into this section here. Okay? That's all there is to it. So if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.